Hi, my name is Michael Fanning. I'm here today to teach you how to tie a Trinity knot. So just a little history, a little backstory behind the Trinity knot. So about 4,000 years ago, it was found as a Celtic symbol of love. Archaeologists believe that familiar three-pointed symbols existed over 4,000 years ago. There's also a Celtic connection, meaning by the 4th century AD, it held spiritual significance of earth, sea, and sky, or maybe even a triple goddess. It is adapted in Christianity as well. 3, meaning the 3 here with the Holy Trinity. So that's a little background, a little story behind the Trinity knot. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to tie one. Okay, first start with your shirt collar raised up and your tie draped around your neck. Position the wide end a little lower than you'd like it to end up. This knot uses a lot of fabric, so aim for about an inch above your waistline. Then here's a pro tip. Pinch the wide side to form a dimple. This isn't essential, but it helps keep things neat as we work with the narrow end. Now cross the narrow and wide ends, creating a distinct X shape. Bring the narrow end up through the neck hole and down towards the right side. Next, we'll repeat the move. Cross the narrow end under the wide end. Then you'll bring it around and up and down through the neck hole. This forms the V shape around the neck loop. And now it's time for the magic touch. You take the narrow end around the V shape. Then you'll bring it back up through the neck loop and down through the loophole we just made. You want to make sure to not tighten them down just yet, and make sure you leave enough room for the narrow end to get through it. So you take the narrow end, wrap it around the backside, bring it around the front, and take it through the loop where your finger was just to keep it open. You pull it through. And this forms the 3 sections of the Trinity tie. So don't tighten it down just yet too much. Make sure you got all the symmetrical how you want it. Then you can take this small end that's left and you can tuck it up under your tie around the collar. And then you can straighten it up and pull it with the wide end. And then for the finishing touch, fold your collar down. And now you're ready to take on the world with style and panache. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial on how to tie a Trinity knot. I tied ties for years. I didn't grow up learning how to tie ties, but it's never too late to learn. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and see you next time.